Hi. This week we got a little different video. I put one together from start to finish about the kitchen. Yeah, see where we started and see where we ended up. Enjoy.
Joe, show us the kitchen.
Well, here we have the kitchen. I've never seen anything so gross in my life. I can look up here, it's all gross. And then they had a little kitchen fire over here, which is nasty.
Oh, that ceiling is really nasty.
You know, it's sticky.
Don't touch it.
Hello. We got our new fridge today.
Ooh.
Look at this.
Ooh.
Down here as well.
Nice.
Isn't that beautiful?
Very lovely Vanna White. I love.
So now we have all our appliances. But look, we have no kitchen yet.
No kitchen yet. Still no kitchen.
But, you know,
It's getting there.
with the IKEA kitchens, you got all those rails that are up there.
Yeah.
And all the cabinets just hang on them.
Oh.
So that part's done. Just have to put the cabinets together.
Cool. That's gonna take a bit.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Okay, let's start putting some kitchen cabinets together. Okay, there's a whole bunch of cabinets up. Just got to put the last couple drawers in, so I'll do that now. There you go. Someone's gonna have fun peeling all the blue stuff off, so we got nice shiny white cabinets.
What?
Hey, I'm not finished putting the kitchen together yet. What are you doing?
I'm putting food in the drawers.
Good thing those are done. We got a call Thursday morning saying that the countertops would be here Friday, which is a week early, so we had to rush and get some stuff done. But now they're in. Look at those beautiful countertops. There's the countertop. There's the faucet. Perfect.
Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hooking up your sink.
Oh, look at my sink. Okay, come on out. Ta-da!
Okay, while Shirley's painting, I'm gonna start tiling the backsplash here. Get some nice tiles. But before I do that, I should turn on these new under cabinet lights so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, there's all the tile and grout done. Got that all the way around. Got the cabinets all done. Oh, and we put in the wash and dryer last week. And I had to do a bit of plumbing and stuff behind there just to get that pushed back far enough. Everything's starting to look pretty good. So today I'm going to sand the ceiling with the drywall dust, and then I'm going to paint it. But before I do all that, I'm going to take this painter's plastic, which is a really thin poly, and tape everything up around the cabinets and all around everything, because these gloss white cabinets have a little bit of like static to them, and all the dust is just going to stick to them. It's not so much for painting, but more for the dust. And if I splotch some paint, at least they'll be protected. Okay, here we are. We got it all sealed up. All the doorways are all sealed up and everything. So it's time to get sanding, and this will make a real easy cleanup.
And here it is. The kitchen's finally done. Beautiful. We've been doing this renovation now for 9 weeks, and I just have to add a couple of little things about Joe that, God bless him, honestly. He thinks in a different way than I do, and always has, but maybe that's part of his charm. Anyway, I got to show you something. I'm hoping I can turn this camera around. Hold on. Okay, here we go. So when I ask him to put stuff away, like please put your tools away and stuff, he does. But do we always put paintbrushes in the spice drawer? Yeah, pretty much. And then over here, this is the vacuum cleaner. And this here would be the vacuum cleaner room. But what do you think's in here? Not a vacuum. Nope, we got golf clubs and a golf cart. Because that's my husband. This is supposed to be a cleaning room. But he doesn't want to get his golf clubs wet. I understand. I love my husband. Well, that's a wrap for week 9.
Yep.
it's more of a show of the
Start to finish video.
of the kitchen, and where it started and where it ended up is a big difference. A lot of hard work into that kitchen, but it's all done now.
All done. And we're going to take a couple days off and go camping for a couple days. So
in the new van, we'll probably do a little bit of filming while we're out there, and we'll include it in next week's video. But for now, we're out, we're tired, we're going to take a few days off, and it will feel awesome. Thanks for watching.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.